first stop is fish soup. Look at all that goodness.
So it's
Manta ray, shrimp, and anything in between. And then we're gonna head over to get pizza for the kids. That way, everyone. Ah, yes. So this is home sweet home. This is where we stay. And right next door is a radiator place. What's fascinating about this is that if your radiator breaks, they fix it right then and there. They build you a new one with your broken radiator. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet deal if you ask me. Making sure we're all protected. Yep. Making sure. All right, everybody, we are here. I'm going in to get a bunch of pizzas for the kids. Same place I got them from last time. So now, while I'm waiting an hour or more to get the pizzas that were quite expensive, I'll show you the receipt. I'm gonna walk the streets here and see what kind of stuff I can find. Everyone seems to be very nice, helpful. People are coming up to me and practicing their English. And I wanna get some candy or maybe some chocolate or something, anything that rots teeth. That's what I wanna get. So we're gonna walk through there and hopefully my party will come back and pick me up and I won't get lost, kidnapped, or hurt. But we'll have a good time here in Mexico. I'm tempted to try these. Looks like a Snickers bar with like jelly in it. That looks good. Got some other familiar stuff as well, but all right, I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, so right outside the store, there are some street children selling little candies and stuff. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy all of them. Every single one. I'm gonna make their day. We're gonna buy them all and surprise them. These are the two amazing young people. I bought all their stuff. So they're happy? Happy? Yeah? They look happy, so I think they're happy. Okay, we're back at the pizza place. They're still not done, but we made some children's day. We bought all this candy. I'm just gonna give this stuff away to other kids, and it's just what we do, you know? Just do what we can with what we got. And they said that they never sold so many before in one day. I got to sit there with them for a minute. I did get to meet their mother, who was also selling stuff on the street. So, you know, you do what you can with what you got. So, thank you. The pizzas are loaded. All right, this is just for the first time. The pizzas are loaded. And we're buying a whole bunch of other stuff for them as well. So look at that. Okay guys, are you ready? This is really special. Last time we were here, it was just a bunch of materials and a bunch of ground. Look at that. Look at that place. We got to get him a new basketball court. That's next. Look at that place. Let's go look at it. It is beautiful out here. The work is being done. You got a horse. I think the roof is going up really soon, or that they're building 2 stories. I'll find all that information out. But if you remember in the last video, all the supplies were right here. We had got all the supplies, just needed some more and hire workers. and it is getting done. I'm gonna walk over here to these goats, because last time I walked over to the goats, they all came running towards me. Let's see. Not as many as there was before. Oh no, they're all laying down right here. Oh, they got a little baby. What's up, goats? What's up, goats? There's a chicken in there. They probably think I'm gonna bring them food. Oh, I hear pigs. Look at that. Look at those chickens.
This is what's happening a few months.
Look at that progress. Since I was told it was funded, look how much work they've got done. They got a lot more to go. They doing a second story? Or is it just one?
I think so.
Or maybe they're building, sometimes they build and they have it as an option, like down the road. If they get more funding, they could build a second story. Man, it's coming along though. Look, anybody that's watching this that deals in code is probably cringing terrible right now. So what I was just told is the next thing that they want to build back here in this land is a greenhouse to grow vegetables, herbs and all that stuff, whatever they do or whatever they plan on doing with the greenhouse. So that'll be the next thing. Build them a greenhouse. Let's get those kids some fresh vegetables so they don't have to go and buy them from the street. They could learn how to grow them themselves. Pretty cool. So this is something new. A team has come in and built a bakery, as you can see. So we're gonna teach the young people, the young men, if this is something that they wanna do, something that they can learn when they get older. There's still a couple pieces missing that we're gonna try to get that taken care of as well. Okay, so they need some sporting equipment. They need some soccer balls, some footballs, some things like that. We were trying to play and they all got holes in them. They don't last long because they're constantly being used. So we're heading to the store right now and we're gonna load them up with some awesome sporting equipment. Let's do this. That's right, we're going to Walmart. They have these canopies, which I've never seen before, but some people were telling me that they have them in California. But never, first time seeing them. At least maybe first time noticing them. Well, I couldn't film inside, so they didn't like that. But we got basketballs, we got footballs, soccer, everything. So off we go. All right, I'm gonna do my best to order a bunch of tacos and feed a bunch more people. So I don't know Spanish that well, but I'm gonna do my best. Hey, I'm having a blast. I'm having a blast. Tacos. Let's see what we can get. Then I might go over here and have some stuff. That looks awesome. Well, trying to order this stuff didn't work, so I literally came over here and pointed at the picture. I hope it's good, whatever it is. We're sitting outside. Look at this place. It looks awesome. Food looks amazing. And I don't know what that thing is over there, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So this is what showed up so far.
Song about buckling up your seatbelt, but teenagers really get into it, man.
So the plates are like little frisbees with plastic on top. And we got stuff.
Those are with cheese.
That's a Coke. This is a Fresco. Look at that. Oh, what is that?
One's on an apple soda.
Apple soda made by Coca-Cola. One last stop. That's right. Churros. Right out here by the water. Everyone swears by it. This is the place to be. I'll let you know. This is like a cool little area, like a park. The cruise ships come in here. You could roller skate, ride your bike, have places to eat over there, and like a little carnival. It's interesting. Maybe next time we'll bring the kids out here, let them run around. Maybe, we'll see. But I think my churros are almost done, so I'm gonna head back over there. Now that would be the biggest margarita I'd ever had. I mean, that's my hand. That thing is huge. All right, what do we got here?
Got crema, caramel, chocolate.
Look at those things. Looks good. Well, I'm back in San Diego Airport. I'm heading home, and I can't wait to go back when the home is completely finished. If you would like to donate specifically to that project, there's a link in the top of the description where it's a tax-free gift, and you can help out as well. There's some furniture stuff that we want to get, and also we want to build a greenhouse for fresh vegetables and stuff for the kids, and for them to learn about agriculture. So all that stuff's coming. Still got a lot of work to do, but we're getting there, and couldn't have done it without so many of you. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next adventure.